Welcome back, my dear children. We are preparing for Navodaya entrance test. We are learning about larger numbers. In previous class, we learnt about Indian system. If you want to learn about Indian system, watch part 1 video. And now we are going to learn about international system. International system. First, we will take place value chart. In this place value chart, children observe carefully. Place values are there and numbers are there. One by one, I will say ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay children, I will repeat again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 million, 100 millions, billion. Okay. In ones means 1 and 10 and 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. In 100,000, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there and 6 digits are there. Okay. Okay, this is the important point. In million, how many digits are there? 7 digits are there. How many zeros? 6 zeros are there. And 10 million, how many digits? 8 digits are there and 7 zeros are there. For 100 millions, 9 digits are there and 8 zeros are there. And for billion, 10 digits are there and 9 zeros are there in 1 billion. Okay. This is the place value chart of international system. Children, I will repeat again the place values. Come on children, say with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions. Okay, do you understand? Okay children, in previous class, what we have learned? Okay, very good. Indian system we have learned. Today we are learning international system. So what is the difference between these two systems? Do you know? Okay. Shall we compare these two systems? Okay. You see the place value chart. So observe these. 5-digit numbers read in the same way in both, but 6-digit numbers are read differently. We read a lakh in Indian system, but we read 100,000 in international system. Okay children, do you observe that difference? And next, for 7-digit numbers, in Indian system we say 10 lakh and in international system we say million. That means 10 lakh equal to 1 million. Okay. So remaining also you observe 1 crore in Indian system. In international system 10 million. 10 crore means 100 million. 100 crore means 1 billion. Okay. These are the differences between Indian system and international system. Okay. So let us learn some important points. Okay. What are they? Observe carefully, children. Remember these. Okay. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 10 crore equal to 100 million and 100 crore equal to 1 billion. These are very important points, children. We have to remember these. Now we will learn how to write number names to given number or numeral in international system. Let us take an example. 4, 8, 9, 2, 7, 6, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 2, 7, 6, 8, 9. This is a given number. First, we have to learn where should we write commas in international system. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. After 100, we should keep comma. And thousands, 10,000, 100,000. After this, we should keep comma. And 48 are in million. Okay. So, say what is the number? 48 million 927,689. This is the number name. Okay. So, shall we take place value chart? Okay. Write the number in place value chart. Okay. See here. What is the number in the place of million? 48. Okay. In thousands place, 927 is there. That means 927,000. And hundreds place 6, tens place 8 and ones place 9 are there. So what is the number name? Come on, say 48 million 927,689. Okay. I am repeating again. 48 million 927,689. This is the number name to given number. Do you understand, my dear children? Now let us take second example. 19067,308. 19067,308. Okay, children. Let us take place value chart and write the number in the chart. What are you getting? In million place 19. Okay, 19. Next, in thousands place 067. That means 67,000. And hundreds place 3, tens place 0, ones place 8. That means 308. Children, what is the number name? 19,067,308. Okay. In 1067 only. 067. 067 means 67. In 100,000 place 0 is there. So 67,308. Once again I am repeating. 19,067,308. This is the given number. Next, example 3. 570003,092. Okay. 570003,092. Take this number into place value chart. What are you getting? In millions place 570. That means 570 million. And thousands place 003. That means 3000. In 100,000 place 0, 10,000 place 0, and thousands place only 3 here. Next, hundreds place 0, in tens place 9, and ones place 2. That means 92. Okay. First you take millions. 570 million, thousands 3000, and 92. Okay. Come on, say all together. 570 million, 3000, and 92. Once again I am repeating. 570 million, 3092. This is the number name. My dear children, do you understand my class? Okay. In this class we learned international system and how to write number names. Children, you take a notebook and write the place value chart of international system and given examples, 3 examples you write and you practice well. Next class we will learn how to write numeral or digits to given number name. Okay children, please follow my videos to prepare for Navodaya. Please share my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay children, we will meet in next class. Bye children.